Hello kids, how are you? Hope all of you are fine. So today I am going to teach you English subject. So open your English textbook, page number 27. Unit 3. I-O-N-U sound. So tell me how many vowels? There are 5 vowels. And in last video I taught you A and E sound words. In this video I will teach you I, O and U sound. So let's start. Listen and repeat. First is I-D. I says E. D says D. Id. Word becomes B-I-D. B says B and I-D says id. It means bid. Did, hid, read, kid. Next is I-N. I says E and says no, in. Word becomes P-I-N. P says P, I-N says in. Pin, bin, din, fin, win. O-B. O says O. B says B, op. Cop, job, rob, mop, shop. Then O-D. O says O. D says D, odd. Code, node, board, road, sword. O-P. O says O. P says P, op. P-O-P. P says P and O-P says op. Pop, cop, hop, mop, top. Next is, these are U sound word. U says A. U-B. U says A. B says B. Up. Cup, tub, hub, rub, dub. Next is U-G. U says A. G says G. Ugh. Bug, dug, lug, jug, mug. U-D. U says A. D says D. Ud. Bud, cud, mud. U-N. U says A and says N. Un. Bun, fun, sun, none, run. These are I, O and U sound words. हे तुम्हाला काय करायचे आहे घरी असे रीड करून पाहायचे आहे. Okay. Now we will see some other words. I, O and U sounds. Listen and repeat. I. Bike, hike, like, mic. I-E. D-I-E, die, pie, lie, tie. O. B-O-N-E, bone, cone, phone, tone, joke, poke. O-A. B-O-A-T, boat, float, goat. O-W. O-W-L, owl, bow, cow, how, brown, flower, flow, low, show, so. O-U. O-U-T, out. Then U. Cube, tube, cute, mute, chute, flute, fruit, suit, blue, flu, shoe, rule, tool. These are all some more example of I, O and U sound. अशा प्रकारे आपल्याला I, O आणि U sound चे वर्ड काय करायचे रीड करायचे. Next is listen and repeat. B-U-N, bun. B-O-O-N, boon. C-U-T, cut, C-U-T-E, cute, M-U-D, mud, M-O-O-D, mood, T-U-B, tub, T-U-B-E, tube, C-U-B, cup, C-U-B-E, cube, B-U-T, but, B-O-O-T, boot, S-U-N, sun, S-O-O-N, soon. हे काय आहेत आपल्याला इथे यांचं स्पेलिंग कसं आहे जवळपास सारखं आहे, पण यांचे जे प्रोनाउन्सिएशन आहे, जे उच्चार आहे ते कसे आहे वेगळे. बन, बून, बट, बूट, सन, सून. तर अशा प्रकारे आज आपण या चॅप्टरमध्ये काय पाहिलेलं आहे, आय, ओ अँड यू साऊंड वर्ड. ओके, आय होप यू अंडरस्टँड. ओके देन, बाय.